Hello, my dear students. Today, in this video, we are going to understand the concept of planning. What is planning? Planning, firstly, it is the first management function, and it is said to be the basic function of a management as it is so important, and it is referred as deciding in advance as to what to do, how to do, when to do, and who has to do it, etc. It is an intellectual process which requires a manager to think before acting, and it is nothing but thinking in advance. So planning, as I told you all, it is the first basic function of the management, and it is so important. Before taking any business decision, planning is must, because planning will help you to understand what exactly you have to do, what is the time frame to complete that task. So it will give you a complete picturization of your objectives and the goals to be accomplished, and it is completely a intellectual process. So planning is said to be one of the basic requirement in the business organization, that is the basic management function, as it is the first management function, and it is also the basic important management function without which the further decisions cannot be taken. Now let us understand the meaning of planning. Planning is the most basic function of management, and it is also called as deciding in advance. Why? Because it's an intellectual process. Now, what are the importance of planning? Uncertainty and minimize risk, effective control, economic operation, bridge between present and future. Now, uncertainty and minimize risk. What does this mean? We know that in today's complex organizations, decision making cannot be relied only upon intuition. Planning plays a vital role in decision making in such complex situations. Planning provides logical facts and procedures to the managers for making decisions. This logical decision making based on plans to organization minimizes the uncertainty and risk. In a development country like India, with rapidly changing social and economic conditions, planning helps the manager to cope up with the uncertainty and risk. Then is effective control. Planning sets goals, targets, and the means to accomplish these goals. These goals and plans become a standards or a benchmark against which performance can be measured. Thus, good plans helps in effective control on the activities. The next is economic operation. Important says that the mere planning does not ensure success, but planning leads to success. This is because if the work is planned in advance, there will be no confusion arising, and things will happen as per the plans and achieve goals. This results in economical operations and reduces the unquoted expenditure. So that is why this is so important in the economic operation, and this is going to lead to the success. Then is plans bridge gap between present and future. There is a vast gap between what we are today and what we want to be in future. A proper and a systematic plan forms the bridge between these two. Without plans, it is very difficult to accomplish the goals. Hence, planning is very important for success of an organization. So these are the importance of planning. Now, in the next video, let us come up with the new contents of this planning. Till then, have a nice day and thank you.